So today we're going to do a quick review on the Star Wars T-65 X-Wing from Propel, high performance battle drone. So we'll start with the actual quad itself. It's a detailed, hand-painted drone, painted very well. Quite a sturdy drone. Few pros and cons to this drone. One is the cockpit. Releasing the cockpit is very easy, but then placing the battery in like so, push down, obviously lights turn on, but then pushing the back part of the case can be quite tricky, so I normally push here and push down. So battery case, so I'll just take the battery out of this. As you can see, the battery is quite difficult to bring out itself. So the X-Wing itself obviously comes with the drone, comes with the controller, which is quite a nice controller for the price that you actually pay for it. Very good gimbals. Also comes with props. We've got a set of A props and a set of B props, although this actually says B, it's actually A. So you have 3 sets of props all in. Also comes with a nice prop remover. It's nice, heavy duty. Also comes with the charger. Charge time I believe is about 45 to 50 minutes. So that's everything that comes with the drone. These drones were released, I believe, last year, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on one. They also run off a next generation Li-Fi system, which works from beams of light, so communicates to the radio through Li-Fi, also extends the range. You'll also notice that on this quad it has the props on the bottom, which is reverse propulsion, so it doesn't pull the quad up, it actually lifts it. Speed wise can get up to about 35 miles per hour. Now I've flown this quad quite a few times. Really nice quad to fly. Also comes with a barometer. The barometer it's quite handy if you're learning, because it will actually keep it level, so it's basically like an altitude hold, but I wouldn't advise using the barometer in windy conditions, because it affects the flight and it causes it to crash. I'll be doing a flight review on this to show you all the pros and cons. Yeah, to show you all the pros and the cons of the X-Wing. Now, I would say that it would be very good for beginners. Yes, it's quite fast, but it also has a training mode, so out of the box, comes set up, it's in training mode. Also has 3 rates, slow, medium and high rate. We're going to go through the rates. We're just going to go through the controller a little bit, just to show you some of the things that the controller does. So this is the controller. To switch on, press the middle button. Then the up and down stick, this binds the controller. Obviously the quad isn't on at the minute, so it's going to continue to flash. So we'll just pop the battery back in just to give you a quick demo.
X-Wing engaged.
So
ready for takeoff.
Now that it's plugged in, the drone binds to the quadcopter. So as you can see, at the minute we're in rate 1. So very simple to change the rates. Rate 1, if you're more of an advanced pilot, it's going to be too slow, and any kind of wind, it's not going to have the momentum to carry forward, because the angle of the pitch is very light. So yeah, absolutely really good for a beginner. And the rate mode is on the left hand side, so it would just be the left bumper button to change. So this takes it into mode 2, which is intermediate, which gives it a little bit more pace. And then mode 3, this is high rate, increases the pitch, the yaw very slightly. Really good quadcopter, fun, great to fly about. And then this just takes you back into the normal rate. So, on to the next part. It has a barometer. I'm not sure, I didn't know this myself, but when the drone comes, as you can see, it's kind of, both sticks are set. So the throttle is on the left, and your roll and pitch is on the right hand side. But if you notice, there's like a little roller bar here, and at the start I didn't realize how far you could push it up. So if you actually push this up till you hear it snap, like a click, you'll see now that oh, careful, nearly ruined the drone. You can see that the barometer is taken off, which means you can take off yourself, you can control the speed, and it also goes quite a substantial bit faster than it would do with the barometer on. So yeah, that's basically it. So if we just put this back, snap it back down, leaves the barometer on. You can also, on the back of this, there is this, obviously pulls out. I think it's meant to be modelled on BB-8. So this clips in, and you can download the app from the Google App Store, and it will train you how to fly it. You know, if it's bad weather or you don't have the confidence to fly it, then download the app and give it a go. It'll give you training modes. It will also let you go into battle, which is another thing that this X-Wing has. It's a battle drone, so if you have more than one, you can actually have a battle, and you can shoot each other. And after 3 hits, the drone will spin and will come down to a resting point. So really fun, really good for the beginner. Really good for night flying. Lights at the front aren't too bright, but the tail lights, you have the 4 tail lights here at the back. Just connect this battery so you can see. It's quite bright, and all round generally a really good quad. Quite impressed with what Propel have done with it. I have a couple of Propel drones, the Batwing HD, but I think they did a really good job with this. The starting price on them was, they were retailing for about $229, but you also got a display case and you know, an extra battery and a few other things, but the price has now dropped to about £149. So yeah, definitely worth the money. I've had a lot of fun flying it, and that's about it. So for the next video, we're going to take it for a flight. We'll go through the rate modes. We'll just do a bit of aggressive flying with it, test out the barometer. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.